Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to tell about list compression with conditional expression. This is called a list comprehension. Comprehension. Okay. So how it is going to be work? Let's see. Simple example. L equal to, there is a list items, apple, then mango, then orange, then pineapple. Okay, apple, mango, orange, pineapple. Then I will create a new list where the condition is x if x not equal to mango, else papaya. Fine, for x in L. Okay, so when you are going to print, it return you new list. So check it. So apple, papaya, orange, pineapple. So mango is replaced by papaya. If there is x is equal to the mango, okay, but x is not equal to mango, then it is going to be else part. Okay, when it hits mango, which is generally equal to the x item, and that will assign to the right hand side, that is a mango also, which is equal to, then it is going to be executed. But it is not equal to, that's why it is going to the else part, papaya, and it is going to return the new list, the apple, papaya, orange, pineapple. Fine. So in this way, we have to cover up all the list compression, different varieties and functionalities. Further, if you have any doubt, please go through the comment box, type there. And please like and share this video if you like this video, and click the subscribe button, click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.